Efficient way to rotate a list in Python. What is the most efficient way to rotate a list in Python? Right now I have something like this. Is there a better way?
A collections.deck is optimized for pulling and pushing on both ends. They even have a dedicated rotate method.
What about just using pop0? List.pop, remove the item at the given position in the list, and return it. If no index is specified, a.pop removes and returns the last item in the list. The square brackets around the I in the method signature denote that the parameter is optional, not that you should type square brackets at that position. You will see this notation frequently in the Python library reference.
NumPy can do this using the roll command.
It depends on what you want to have happen when you do this. You might want to change your 2.
If you want to see more